Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a short review. I can't really be too fair about it because I haven't had this machine for very long, so I haven't really put it to work. And a lot of what it will be doing will be hauling wood and doing basic farm chores. It's just something I wanted to add to the four-wheeler and tractors and just have something that we could use to haul things, to cut wood, carry stuff, a good utility vehicle, but not so expensive. And so everything about this UTV visually is fantastic. It's comfortable. The seats are very comfortable. It has the dump bed, hydraulic dump. It has a very spacious bed. It has great tires, wheels. The lighting is excellent. It has a great winch on the front of it. And you never know when you might need something like that. And the fact that it came with it is awesome. And so, visually, everything about this machine, I love. It has a lot of nice features. It has a deep glove box, another little box. There's a utility box underneath the seat for room for cargo. It has an outlet for, spotlights or cell phone jacks or whatever you might need. It has excellent lighting, like I said, turn signals, the winch, two-wheel, four-wheel drive. It's electronically fuel injected. It starts nice, idles great, but I haven't really challenged it yet. It hasn't really been put to work. And I just wanted to touch base on some of the things that, just in the little bit of time that I've had it, that I'm not real crazy about, to nitpick. Just because I have four-wheelers and, a 400cc motor, you expect a certain amount of power from it. And this definitely lacks power and response. The brakes are terrible. You have to stand on them to stop it, and that could be something simple. Maybe the lines need to be bled, but you kind of have to drift to get it in park. You really got to give it a ton of gas to get it to move. The windshield, it's lovely and great, and I love that it has one, but this seam is right in my line of vision, so I'm either looking under it or over it, so that's kind of annoying. It does have a backup alarm, which is extremely awful. So I got in the hood here and disarmed that. I don't really need a backup alarm. Back here, it's nothing but trees. So, just a few things to touch on. My dislikes. The other thing that I did was it had feet guards that were just kind of like a triangle shape, and whoever put them in stripped the Phillips out of them, so they were fun. I took them off because everyone who's gotten into this utility vehicle for a ride goes to swing their feet out and they trip on that guard. So I took that off immediately. And it's loud. It is super, super loud. Like, loud. It does have a miss. Sometimes when you're kind of just cruising along, it's got that putter, spit, sputter thing going on. And it's got good gas in it. I didn't like the fact that it didn't come with, more in-depth maintenance guide. It's kind of a little bit of guesswork. So that's interesting. So it did say something about changing the oil once it became cooler out. So I'll have to investigate that. But that's the main chores I'm going to need it for is, there's always trees down out here. Always, always, everywhere. And so, hauling firewood, hauling horse feed, which is great. It's got a big bed, a hydraulic dump. I have expectations of it, and I'm not sure how I feel just yet. And I'm really kind of curious if anybody else has this model, the Explorer Bighorn. This is a Tractor Supply version. There's so many things that are nice about it, but the engine is just subpar for a 400cc motor. It's got a nice hitch on it as well. So aesthetically, I mean, this thing is great. But, you know, if I could get enough views and likes, you know, maybe we should drop a Honda motor in it or something. But let's let you hear it. I mean, it is loud. So let's take it for a scoot here. Nice idle, nice start. You can see where the windshield is for me anyway. It's kind of, you know, in between that seam. I get it. It's probably hard to figure out where to put it to make it functional. But little bit of a hesitation. It's not bad. It's getting better. I don't know if that's possible, but you can hear that hesitation, a little bit of a sputter in there. Sometimes it's hard to get it in park. See if we'll get lucky. Ooh, look at that. Got lucky. So you guys let me know if anybody has one of these guys. Let me know what your experience is with it. There's the lights. I mean, I love everything about it. I just do not like the way it runs. Idle's great, but it's got that hesitation in it, and it sputters, and it's loud. So, I don't know. haven't had it long enough to really put it to work, but I don't know what kind of expectations I should have. I guess is what I'm thinking. But I mean, visually, it's such a nice unit. It's just a shame that the motor isn't a little bit better, a little bit stronger, more responsive. But I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. You know, maybe my expectations are just too high. It could be. But yeah, if you've got one of these units, let me know what you think. And thanks for watching, everybody.